This question is a developments question. What we have here is we have a rectangular prism, and we're given all our dimensions over here. We're asked to draw the elevation and the plan of the prism, and then for C we're asked to draw a surface development of the prism. So I'm going to start off by drawing an elevation and plan, and I'm going to draw my elevation and plan on the left hand side of my page. So as we know, whenever we're drawing, we're always going to start with an XY line when we're drawing orthographic projection. Our XY line is the ground. It is a dark line because it's a real thing, and we must always label it the XY and the XY line. Now we have a distance here of 70 mil wide. So I'm going to mark my 70. I'm going to go vertically up. The height here, as we can see, is 110. So I'm going to measure my 110 now. And my height horizontally across. Once I have that shape, I'm going to darken it in. So that there has given me an elevation. In order to get my plan, I'm going to project it straight down below. We can leave any gap we want here between our XY line and the plan, okay? So I'm going to draw a horizontal line to start. Now, the thickness of my plan. As we can see in the question, we're given a thickness of 27 because we're looking straight down. So we have our 70 here and our 27 here. So we're going to measure 27, horizontal line. I'm just going to darken it in. Lovely. So that's after giving us our... So as we can see here now, we have our elevation and our plan. The next thing we need to get is we need to get an actual development of our shape. So I'm just on my page here, I'm just going to draw a quick 3D view of the shape here. So using my pencil. Now the key to a 3D sketch is that we're going to have, so our key here is to have parallel lines as much as possible. Okay, vertical lines stay vertical, and our angled lines here at the side are going to be parallel to each other. That really helps with regards to creating our 3D shape. And then we'll zip it back. Now, if we look at our image here, okay, there's obviously 6 faces. We have a front face, the back face, 2 side faces, a top and a bottom face. So, I need to draw a development. Now, if I just sketch here, my development, I'm going to have a front, and touching that front is going to be a side. Then there's going to be a back, and there's going to be another side. Now, this side could be over here. It's up to you where you put it. The top and the bottom, it doesn't matter where we put them. We're going to look at them in a minute, but I'm going to start by drawing the front, the side, the back, and the side. So, start off, I'm actually going to just rub out a little bit of this XY line, because it's a little bit too long, it might get in the way of my development. So I'm going to start off by drawing a random horizontal line. Then on my horizontal line, I'm just going to draw a vertical line here. I'm going to treat this point here as if it was this point here. I'm going to get my compass, and using my compass, I'm going to get the width of my elevation, which is also the same width as my plan. I'm going to mark it off. And from that point, I'm going to go vertically up. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my height here. So I'm taking my height, I'm going to mark her off, and I'm going to project it. I'm bringing that the whole way across, because that's going to be the height of my elevation, my side, the back, and the side. So that's after giving me the first face. In order to get the next face, I'm going to get this distance here in my plan. That's that small width, and that's going to give me a side. So go up there. Next, we're going to get the back, which is obviously going to be the same width as the front. Marking it off here. And then another side. Now, the side could go here, but obviously we don't have enough space, so we're going to put it here on the right. Lovely. Now, so we have a front, side, back, side. Now, we have a top and we have a bottom. I'm going to put the top up here. The top can touch any 4 of these faces. I'm going to put touching this face here. So I'm going to bring these 2 lines up a little bit higher. Then what I'm going to do is, I know that the top is this wide. So I'm going to get my compass, get the distance, and I'm going to mark it up here. And from that point, I'm going to go horizontally across. Now, as you can see, that's the top here. For the bottom part, I'm just going to do it a little bit different. I'm going to put it touching the sides. Now, you don't have to do it. I just want to show you the different things we can do. So, I'm going to take that side. I'm going to take this width here and mark it off, because This is the thickness of the bottom, and this is the width of the bottom. I'm going to bring that across, and as you can see now, that's after giving me my development. My next move I must do is to darken in my development. Now, when we darken it in, I'm darkening in the outside of the development. I'm not going to darken in any lines that are on the inside. So just all the outside lines. Now, the internal lines that we have, these lines are fold lines. In order to represent their fold lines, we actually draw hidden detail. When we're doing the hidden detail, we try to leave the space and the line the same distance. This is a presentation thing. Also try to ensure that we have a line at the start and at the end for presentation. You don't have to measure these, we're doing them by eye. And as we go on throughout the topic, your eye will improve. Now we have a full development of a rectangular prism.